My name is Justin Wagner, and I work for Nivel under the brand name Red Dot, and I am the seating line supervisor. I create the patterns for our custom seating line, manage the process start to finish from when the material is cut till it gets shipped out the door. I'll start by kind of drawing it out on a blank sheet, work with different colors and ideas, and get to where I have something in my head that I like, and then I'll draw it out on the sheet and then create a pattern for it. The pattern will get digitized into the computer so that it can be computer cut. From there, it'll go onto the sewing line. The first operator will do a step, and then it'll go forward and another step. Depending on the sheet, there'll be 4 or 5 different processes to create a final product. So we have a unique process where our quality control isn't just one person at the end with a finished product looking it over and saying, yes, this is okay. Our product goes through many steps, and each person, that person is responsible for checking the work of the person behind them. So it's not just one quality control at the end, it's quality controlled through every step of the process. And then at the end, there's one final check to make sure everybody did their job right. I'd say Nivel's the #1 brand, so I don't think they get there by having low standards. I think we're doing things that nobody else is. There's a lot of name brands under the Nivel umbrella. We all kind of work together, make our products interchangeable with each other. For example, our Magix seats, we make skins that fit them. So that's 2 different name brands that work together. Our enclosures will fit a roof that's made by PMI. Nothing is just a generic one-size-fits-all. Everything is made specifically to fit. The quality is just better than you get anywhere else because we're working with our own products, and that's, I think, what makes us unique. Best thing I like about my job is that it's always rewarding when you're out and you see a product you created on a golf cart. Definitely a sense of pride in that.